Top congressional Democrats are signaling Congress could vote soon on legislation to ban lawmakers from trading individual stocks. The move comes amid pressure from rank-and-file members from both parties arguing that voters overwhelmingly back the idea. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, Democrat California, doesn't personally trade individual stocks, her husband does. She said in December she didn't think a ban was necessary, but has reversed course as members in her caucus have pushed the issue. "It is a confidence issue, and if that's what members want to do, then that's what we will do," Pelosi said. At her weekly press conference on Wednesday, she added House committees were working on a proposal and a bill could move pretty soon. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer, D.N.Y., also signaled his support for a ban. "I believe this is an important issue that Congress should address, and it's something that has clearly raised interest from both sides of the aisle over the last few weeks," Schumer said Wednesday. Texas Republican Chip Roy and Virginia Democrat Abigail Spanberger were elected in the same class in 2018. They didn't campaign on the same issues, but they learned they shared the same alma mater and favorite basketball team, the same birthday, and over a beer learned there are some problems they could try to solve together. The two introduced legislation in June 2020 to ban members of Congress from trading individual stocks. They decided to work on the issue after talking about news stories about several members of Congress who were under investigation for stock transactions they made following briefings in the early days of the coronavirus pandemic, before the impact on the U.S. economy was clear. During an interview with both lawmakers, Roy bristled a bit at the narrative they're political polar opposites. "I mean, we disagree on a lot. But we agree on a lot, too. There's a number of things that we're trying to come together and sort of sit over beer, literally, and solve some problems. There's a 10-year-old law already on the books, called the Stock Act, that requires lawmakers to disclose stock trades within 45 days.